This is the Apollo CNC Fiber Laser. Precision starts here on a production floor in Houston, where every Apollo fiber laser is built to deliver results from day one. Before it cuts its first part in your shop, we make sure every component, every calibration, every system is dialed in. That way you can finally cut those big orders for thousands of parts or bring some prototyping back into your shop. Apollo helps you save money while bringing it in as well. With Apollo's fiber laser, it gives you the flexibility to cut a wide range of materials, from 3/16 in stainless steel, aluminum, and brass, and up to a 1/2 inch in mild steel. Not only that, but the edges are so clean it needs minimal finishing, letting you create details so precise they match your designs exactly. We've built it with both large plants and small shops in mind. Our unique multi-panel design allows for loading and unloading material from both the fronts and the sides of the Apollo, letting you place it exactly where it works best for you. Fiber laser technology used to mean a massive investment, not anymore with Apollo. Now you can have industrial capability with a shop-friendly footprint built for reliability. With our in-house operating software, cutting parts is done in 3 quick steps. Simply import your design, set the cutting parameters, and let Apollo execute with precision. The path from idea to finished part has never been more direct. The Apollo Fiber Laser, built in Texas, built to impress, built to perform.